Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to change your fans that are noisy. First thing you guys do is go over here, take this piece off right here. I'm going to take this screw off, these two right here, Phillips. Then you got 1, 2, and then 3 down here. I believe it's a 7. And then right here you got a 9, 1 and 2. Alright, once you get all the screws off, there's going to be a zip tie right here. Just unclip it. The bracket's going to be holding this one and this one for the wire. Just pull it off. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Try it. There you go. Pop them off. Should be able to slide up. Boom. Take the plate off. Back here is your fan. It looks like these has been changed before just because it's cut already. So what you can do is just pop these up and then open it, okay? So slide it up and then slide it out. I'm gonna use 2 hands. 2 Phillips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7mm, and then we got 1, 2, 9mm. Go into here. Once you pull this plastic piece off, I just slide it down and then up. You're gonna get in here. You're gonna cut the zip tie here, and there's 2 wires. One is here and one is in the back. I say unclip this one first, and then once you take the motor out, the other back one is going to be easier to get to. So what's holding this motor on is this metal clip right here. I would suggest just going under there with a vice grip, or going in there with a screwdriver and just popping it out. How I'm going to do it is I'm going to slide my screwdriver right under there like this. Just pop it out. Boom. Nailed it. And then I gotta cut this clip and then I'll get this wire out. Okay, so took the clip off. I just took my fingers to unclip that piece right there. Boom. There's still a back clip right there, but I'll get it when I pull the motor out. So how I'm gonna pull the motor out, so I'm just gonna reach in here and yank it slowly. There's a little bracket right here that's holding it in place. Just pull it out. There you go. So now you can kind of get to this clip here. You can see how it's connected. Pretty dirty. Just pull it. Bam. And the motor's out. As you can see, my motor's in bad shape. Sorry for the bad camera. There you go. That was just the retaining clip. Yeah, you can see my fan is all jacked up. So just pull it out. Go harder with one hand. Go ahead. So here you go. Make sure you clean out everything in here. See, bunch of stuff. Just my clip. Bunch of plastics from the broken fan. Sometimes you guys don't have broken fans, but just make sure you reach in here, clean everything out. Should be golden. Yeah, I got a bunch of pieces in here. If you guys have a vacuum cleaner, you can use a vacuum cleaner. Alright, got the new motor. Make sure when you guys are putting it in, these wires are out. Just slide these clips to the side so they don't get tangled. Okay. So I would suggest when you're putting it in, putting it sideways and going in. So it's a lot harder just to shove it in like this. So just go slowly, take your time. So once you have that in there, make sure you clip all these things back together. It's hard doing this with one hand. Boom. connected. You can turn the motor a little bit. Turn the motor a little bit. Put this other clip back in the hole. Put this thing right here, this clip. Basically, you just shove it in. And before you put everything back, before you put all the plastics, turn on your car. It looks good. Slide this down and then up. And then put the clips back on. Slide this piece back in here. Boom. Make sure you take the weather stripping up over it. Okay, all done. Remember, 2 Phillips, 1, 2, 3, and 4 7mm. This one is in 9, 2 9s, and then zip tie the wires. Should be good.